When the bacon shark, where's the bacon shark ladies in the back? Oh, they didn't come out yet.
It's a bacon shark.
Let me see. Okay, so I gotta see. I gotta get the first version. Okay, that's straight up bacon shark. All right.
So just the shrimp pie now.
Shrimp pie come in. Oh, is this coming out of here? Oh, damn, see, that's some clean oil, but you only got a little container. That's the price, okay. That's from the Irish section of Trinidad where they get the potatoes from.
Trust me.
Which kind is this one?
These are potato pies. But any pies.
Hey, that's a potato pie. I don't even see potato in the potato pie.
It's very. You won't see the potato.
What? That's what I'm talking about. Dang, that's a heck of a potato pie.
Yeah.
It's like a mixed salad pie.
No, you get your money worth by Tanty Rita.
Dang, Tanty Rita.
Yeah.
We're at Tanty Rita's. So you gotta figure out what the Instagram is for Tanty Rita's.
And that's on Instagram, no?
Oh, not yet. I'll have you there by the end of the day.